People say I'm lucky, achiever, smart, friendly.
One, two, three, smile.
The kind of person who has everything figured out. Na parang lahat ay smooth lang sa buhay ko. Pero ang totoo ay in reality, I am quiet, unnoticed, invisible. Because sometimes I wonder if anyone sees me.
Hanggang kumulong ang luha,
Achiever, smart, friendly.
hanggang mahulog ang tala. Masdan mo aking mata.
All the friends, achievements, support, happiness, all the moments I dream of, they only exist in my head. Sobrang sakit isipin, pero hindi ko kayang itigil ang pangarap kong ito.
Will she keep escaping into the life she wishes she had? Or will she finally face the truth and begin discovering who she really is?